Okay, while cruising through the old fairgrounds I used to come to as a kid, I found this. Oh, the sun's in the way so you can't see it. Get on this side of it. Oh, now you can probably see it. Damn, that thing's huge. Civil Defense yellow. I'm gonna block that sun out. Shit. This control box. Of course, you can't really read that. Wow, this is cool. The on-site activations. Looks like it's landline and radio. And on-site. Damn, that thing's huge. I don't know if it's a 2T or a 3T. Looks like a 3T because it looks like it's got a high and low option. Fucking shit. I'm trying to get a photo of it, but the sun ain't helping anything. Okay.